Have you ever said, I'm healthy in English, and it just sounded boring? Maybe you've been exercising, eating clean, feeling great. But when someone asked, how have you been? You replied with, okay. Come on. That's like saying Otani is just an okay baseball player. Let's fix that once and for all. Welcome back to English with Bruce, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell because your English is about to level up. Today's idiom, fit as a fiddle. Sounds like a violin running a marathon, right? But here's the truth. Fit as a fiddle means healthy, energetic, and in top physical condition. Think your gym-obsessed friend who also does yoga and drink kale smoothies. Yeah, that person. So how do you say this in natural native Korean? The best match is 팔팔하다. Boom! Perfect match. Business setting. Let's set the scene. Your coworker just returned from a digital detox retreat. There were no emails, no deadlines, just nature and green juice. You say, "You look terrific, Jess. What happened?" Jess replies, 10 days of yoga, no Slack messages, and I'm back, fit as a fiddle. Result? Jealous coworkers and one epic status update. Everyday setting. Now picture this. Your 88-year-old mother just went for her checkup. Her doctor's jaw dropped. The doctor says, "Your mother's test results are incredible." I know, she's still fit as a fiddle. That's the perfect compliment for anyone defying age with energy. So next time you're not just fine, but feeling strong, healthy, and unstoppable, say it like a pro. I'm fit as a fiddle. Drop it in the comments. Who's the most fit as a fiddle person you know? Tag them, brag about them, or say that it's you. This is Bruce from English with Bruce, bringing you real English that works in the boardroom and at brunch. See you next time. Until then, stay bold, curious, and fit as a fiddle.